Hello, and welcome to Anaconda Background. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify Anaconda applications such as Navigator, PowerShell Prompt, Jupyter Notebook, RStudio, and Spider. My name is Laura Harris, and today I will introduce you to Anaconda and the applications that come with an Anaconda installation. So what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a popular distribution of Python and R programming languages developed for scientific computing, such as data science, predictive analytics, machine learning applications, and large-scale data processing. An Anaconda installation includes over 250 popular packages, such as NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib, all of which are automatically installed for user-friendliness. Further, another 7,500 plus open source packages can be installed using the Conda package. An Anaconda installation includes several applications, which can be accessed and managed using Anaconda Navigator, which is a graphical user interface, or GUI for short. GUIs are more user-friendly than traditional command line interface, such as Anaconda PowerShell Prompt. Anaconda can be used on all operating systems, including Windows, Macs, and several Linux flavors like Red Hat, making Anaconda an extremely versatile computational tool. So why should you use Anaconda? The real drive behind Anaconda's popularity is its user-friendly package version control. This is done through Conda, which is an open-source, language-agnostic package and environment management system, which is included in all versions of Anaconda. Conda installs, runs, and updates all desired packages and their dependencies. Here, a dependency refers to a piece of software that relies on another piece of software to work properly. Prior to the development of Anaconda, any dependent packages in Python would be automatically installed without first checking for conflicts with previously installed packages. This would cause already installed packages to malfunction or stop working entirely, generating a level of frustration among some programmers, myself included, affectionately termed dependency hell. Conda was originally designed to alleviate version incompatibility issues in Python by analyzing the current environment, including what packages are currently installed and their version limitations, and then installing a compatible package set of dependencies. Conda allows users to install and switch between different package versions also. As Conda expanded over time, it now can package and distribute software for any programming language, such as R or SQL, for example. This makes Conda an incredibly user-friendly distribution, especially for use developing multi-language projects. So what applications come with Anaconda? Anaconda comes with many ready-to-use applications, and new applications are added regularly. Here are the applications readily available in Anaconda version 1.10.0, including Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, IBM Watson Studio Cloud, Spider, RStudio, Visual Studio Code, Datalore, PyCharm, Qt Console, Glue, and Orange 3. While all these applications are handy programming tools, we will focus our discussion here on the applications most used by beginner programmers, starting with Jupyter Notebook. Please refer to other resources for more information on the rest of these Anaconda applications. Jupyter Notebook, shown here, and Jupyter Lab are applications that come out of Project Jupyter, which was formerly known as IPython. The goal of Project Jupyter was to develop resources for interactive computing across dozens of programming languages. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that the name Jupyter was selected in part to reference the 3 programming languages it supports, which are Julia, Python, and R. Jupyter Notebook is a web-based interactive computing notebook environment for creating documents that combine text with rich media through using Markdown language, and programming to perform mathematics and plots, etc. Jupyter Notebook documents are easy to edit and run, and more importantly, are human readable, making them great for collaborative efforts. Today, Jupyter Notebook documents can connect to one of over 49 Jupyter-compatible kernels, with each kernel designed to run code from a different programming language or language version to facilitate programming across the different languages. For more on Jupyter Notebook, please refer to ICER's Jupyter Notebook Basics course in D2L. More recently, Project Jupyter released Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab is an extendable environment for interactive and reproducible computing. This is based on Jupyter Notebook architecture. Effectively, Jupyter Lab offers the same building blocks as Jupyter Notebook, such as Notebook Document, Terminal, Text Editor, etc., just in a more flexible, user-friendly interface. Another popular software program for collaborative and language-agnostic data science is IBM Watson Studio, formerly known as Data Science Experience. The IBM Watson Studio Cloud feature is well suited for cloud-based collaboration due to its open, flexible, multi-cloud architecture. IBM Watson Cloud contains tools to analyze, visualize, cleanse, and shape data, and to create and train machine learning models. Also, IBM Studio is compatible with Jupyter Notebook and other document types. For language-specific programming needs, Anaconda offers several integrated development environments. An integrated development environment combines common developer tools for editing source code, building executables, and code debugging in a single graphic user interface, GUI. This improves programmer productivity. The scientific Python development environment, SPIDER for short, shown on the left, is an integrated development environment for Python with advanced editing, interactive testing, debugging, and introspective features. Similarly, RStudio, shown on the right, is an integrated development environment for R that includes R Essentials. So now you should be able to identify Anaconda applications, such as Navigator, PowerShell Prompt, Jupyter Notebook, RStudio, and SPIDER. Thank you for watching this video. Please reach out with any questions. We at ICER are always here to help.